What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best baby strollers that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Bugaboo Fox 3 stands as a premier luxury baby stroller designed by the renowned Dutch brand. Setting itself apart as an exceptional all-terrain stroller, Bugaboo has crafted the Fox 3 to be a pinnacle of performance and style. Building upon the success of the Bugaboo Fox 2, this latest iteration, the Bugaboo Fox 3, incorporates significant enhancements, solidifying its position as the most comprehensive all-terrain stroller on the market. Maneuverability is a highlight of this model, offering effortless movement with just a finger touch. The advanced four-wheel suspension, coupled with anti-puncture wheels, ensures a seamless journey across diverse terrains, whether it's city streets, mountains, or beaches. A unique spring suspension system allows for smooth navigation over bumps and tight corners. Notably, the Bugaboo Fox 3 introduces a ventilated carry cot with a magnetic closure system, promoting optimal baby comfort by regulating body temperature and offering protection in varying weather conditions. The crib mattress has been upgraded with 3D mesh, enhancing breathability and ensuring a comfortable rest for the baby year-round. Safety is paramount with the inclusion of new quick-release harnesses and a 5-point buckle system, setting a high standard in the market. Constructed from innovative, durable, and water-repellent materials, the Bugaboo Fox 3 exudes luxury while maintaining long-lasting quality. With its array of improvements and features, the Bugaboo Fox 3 is a top-tier choice for discerning parents seeking the utmost in safety, comfort, and style. The Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 is a highly regarded stroller designed for durability and functionality. If you're seeking value for your money, the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 is a standout choice. Known for its robust construction and thoughtful features, this stroller is a testament to Baby Jogger's commitment to quality. It boasts stylish adjustable handlebars, a dependable parking handbrake, and an efficient one-handed folding mechanism. With a simple lift of the seatbelt, the stroller folds automatically and locks for easy transportation and storage. The Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 offers click-and-go versatility, accommodating the Baby Jogger City Go car seat with the included adapter set. Notably, it features a UPF 50+ canopy equipped with 2 magnetic peekaboo windows. The stroller's wheels are filled with rubber foam and equipped with suspension, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. For added comfort, the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 includes an almost flat backrest and adjustable calf support. The stroller's thoughtful design extends to its user-friendly features, such as the magnetically closing peekaboo windows and foam-filled wheels. This combination of features, including full suspension and an almost horizontal recline, makes it ideal for on-the-go naps. With its competitive price point, the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 offers exceptional value and performance. The UPPAbaby Vista V2 is a versatile and highly regarded baby stroller that caters to growing families. Renowned as one of the best overall baby strollers, the Vista V2 offers numerous features for parents seeking functionality and convenience. It accommodates newborns with a safe and comfortable bassinet for neighborhood walks or indoor sleeping. The stroller is compatible with the UPPAbaby Mesa and other car seats for seamless travel. It adapts as your family grows, allowing older babies and toddlers to face forward or rear-facing in the included toddler seat. Additional options include the rumble seat for a second child and a piggyback platform for older kids to hop on. While the stroller is lauded for its benefits, it might require some practice to master its opening and closing mechanisms. Although it takes up space when folded, its strong wheels and generous basket are seen as worthwhile features. The Vista V2 is designed to accommodate a child from birth up to 20 kilograms, offering an ergonomic seat with multiple recline positions, reversible options, and compatibility with a second seat. It has undergone improvements in seat design, sunroof, and harness for a more comfortable experience. This stroller excels in performance, offering a high-quality package at a justifiable price point. The Chicco Bravo is an acclaimed travel baby stroller that enjoys immense popularity among experienced parents who enthusiastically recommend it to their peers. Its remarkable quick and effortless folding mechanism not only saves time but also contributes to a stress-free parenting experience. Designed for convenience, the Chicco Bravo can be folded into a compact form, perfect for storage in the car trunk. Moreover, its upright standing feature optimizes space utilization. With multiple recline options, the stroller ensures your child's comfort throughout the journey, thanks to the multi-position seat and four-wheeled suspension. This versatile stroller eliminates the worry of storage constraints and fits into most vehicles, making it an ideal companion for parents with multiple children. The comfort it offers is particularly advantageous in such cases. Unfolding the stroller is equally hassle-free, even in parking lots. The adjustable handle ensures ergonomic maneuverability. The detachable seat and storage basket add to its practicality, making room for your child's essentials. Furthermore, finger-lock brakes provide swift stopping when needed. Parents appreciate the Chicco Bravo's easy maneuverability, making it a superb choice for supermarket trips. In summary, the Chicco Bravo stands as a highly recommended and versatile travel stroller that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and functionality for both parents and children. The Babyzen Yo-Yo is renowned as the premier lightweight baby stroller solution. Addressing a common challenge faced by parents, this stroller model, the Babyzen Yo-Yo, aims to satisfy both parents and children with its exceptional attributes. The key strength lies in its remarkable lightness and compact size. It stands out as one of the lightest and most compact options available, ensuring effortless mobility. Despite its compact form, the manufacturer doesn't compromise on design, quality, or comfort. Built with durability and comfort in mind, the Babyzen Yo-Yo offers a premium seating experience. One of its standout features is the folding system, allowing the stroller to be instantly folded using one or two hands, and can even be carried over the shoulder. This model excels in strength and resilience, thanks to its construction with high-quality materials such as aluminum, stainless steel, and reinforced fiberglass. Notably, the absence of a front bar is compensated by its lightweight yet robust design. The Babyzen Yo-Yo effectively dispels the misconceptions surrounding the necessity of a front bar for safety, focusing instead on its clever folding design. Additionally, assembling, folding, and unfolding the stroller proved to be remarkably easy once experienced firsthand. The Babyzen Yo-Yo boasts breathable materials for optimal air circulation, even in its compact form. Despite its small size and weight of merely 3 kilograms, it upholds the expected comfort and practicality of a premium stroller. This stroller garners praise for its comfort, practicality, and innovative folding system, making it a top choice in the realm of travel strollers.